The document recreator. This came up because I have what I call a sales recap memo in my own business. So when I do a sales call with a customer, I record it. It allows me not to take notes so I can be more present. I can ask better questions. I can get more information. And with that transcript, I have created a recap memo that I send back to the prospect. And I say, this is what I think I heard. This is the information I gathered. This is the conversation we had. Does it look like we're on the same page, right? And that memo has allowed me to be far more effective in my sales processes and have better connections because it shows that I was listening. Well, I used to type that by hand, but what I learned to do with ChatGPT is recreate that in a matter of seconds. Once I've already had the conversation, I'm using the transcript to recreate that document. And then I said, if I can do that, can I do it with other documents? And so I went down the path of decomposing or reverse engineering documents and feeding it into ChatGPT and say, I want more of this, right? So it's allowing me to do the work, to be present, to be thinking, right? And to get the information I need, feed it into my bot, and it recreates the documents. Whether it be RFPs or proposals or memos, I can teach you to do the same. So if you have a document, a process that you do over and over again, that takes you some time, and maybe it shouldn't, because we all get bogged down in the process of doing it, not the thinking, right? The thinking is maybe 25% of this whole thing. It's the actual process of putting it all together that takes the time. If that's a situation you think you could benefit from, then this document recreator module could be highly beneficial to you.